Hi guys, this is Neha Naik and welcome to Get Curried. So sometimes on a rainy day when you come back home, all you want to do is curl up in your bed with a mug of delicious hot chocolate. So today I'm going to show you guys not one, not two, but three types of hot chocolate. So let's get started. The first one is salted caramel hot chocolate. First we'll heat up a saucepan. Once the saucepan is hot enough, put in 1/4 cup of sugar in it. You have to keep stirring the sugar. The sugar has turned into a nice golden color. That means our caramel is ready. And now we'll pour in the milk. I have taken 300 ml of milk. Just keep stirring while you pour the milk because the sugar will seize and form clumps. Once the sugar has dissolved in the milk, just let it simmer for a while. Once the milk starts to simmer, you need to switch the gas off and then add in 100 grams of dark chocolate. The reason we switched off the gas is to avoid the chocolate getting burnt. We'll be adding a pinch of salt to it. This enhances the chocolate flavor. Now let's pour in the hot chocolate. Now we'll move on to the second variety of hot chocolate, Oreo hot chocolate. We'll be taking 1.5 cup of milk. To this, we'll be adding 1/4 cup of fresh cream, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and half tablespoon of cocoa powder. Now stir the mixture. Let the milk simmer for a while. Now we'll turn the gas off and add a pinch of salt to it. And crushed Oreo cookies. I've taken about 7 to 8 cookies. It's done. Now let's pour it into our jar. Let's move on to our third recipe, the vanilla cinnamon hot chocolate. In a saucepan, we'll be taking 1.5 cup of milk, 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, and 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Let's stir it. The milk has come to a simmer. Now we'll switch the gas off. We'll strain the milk before adding chocolate to it. I've transferred the strained milk back to the saucepan, to which we'll be adding 100 grams of white chocolate, and we'll be stirring it. To this, we'll be adding a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Stir again. Now we'll be pouring this in our jar. So our three varieties of hot chocolate are ready. You can have them as it is, but I'm going to garnish them. First, we'll be garnishing the Oreo hot chocolate. I'm using whipped cream. And an Oreo cookie to top it off. Next, we'll be topping off the vanilla cinnamon hot chocolate. We'll be topping it off with colorful sprinkles and vanilla chocolate rolls. And last but not the least, our salted caramel hot chocolate. Now we'll drizzle it with some caramel sauce. So 3 types of hot chocolate are ready. Do try them at home and let us know in the comment section below. For such easy and quick recipes, subscribe to Get Curried.